Okay, students, good morning everybody. Welcome back to Max online class today. Dear students, today we start a new chapter, that is chapter 7 in our Max online class. That chapter 7 is linear equations. What do you mean by linear equations? That you have studied in the previous class, that is in 7th class. A linear equation is an equation in which the highest power of the variable is 1 and with one variable. That is called linear equation with one variable. The variable will be only one type and the highest power of that variable will be 1. Then it is called linear equations with one variable. And last year you studied how to find out solution to an equation. An equation, you know that it has a left hand side means LHS and the right hand side and RHS, and both LHS and RHS will be equal in an equation. And in order to find out the solution to the equation, solution means finding the value of an unknown number or variable, that is called a solution to an equation. And this solution to the equation can be found out in different ways. The three methods you studied last year, that is trial and error method and systematic method and transposition method. And in this year we are going to study three different methods, that is elimination method and transposition method and also cross multiplication method. First of all, what is elimination method? Here, elimination. Elimination method. What is elimination? The word meaning itself, you know, that eliminate, avoid. Then how to find out the solution to an equation using elimination method? In elimination method, we want to eliminate or we want to avoid or we want to remove some numbers from both LHS and RHS in order to get the value of the variable. That method is called the elimination method. You know that an equation is just like a weighing balance. If one side is disturbed, then that balance will be totally disturbed. So in order to replace that balance, we have to place the same thing in the another opposite side also. The same same principle we follow in linear equations also. If we add something in LHS, the same thing should be added to the RHS also. And if we subtract something in LHS, the same thing should be added in RHS. And if we multiply something in LHS, the same thing should be multiplied in RHS. And if we divide something in LHS, and same thing should be divided in the RHS also. So what to do, whether it is division or multiplication, addition or subtraction, that will be decided on the basis of the question. Example here, 3x plus 5 is equal to 23. This is an equation, a linear equation. The highest power is 1 and only one division. So here, suppose I want to find out the value of x. So I want to eliminate or avoid this 5 from here and this 3 also from here. Then I am going to eliminate this. How to eliminate this 5 here? In order to eliminate or avoid 5 from here, I have to do the opposite function here, plus 5. So minus 5 I have to do in both sides. So here 3x plus 5, in order to eliminate this, I want to minus 5. At the same time, in another side also, RHS also, I have to eliminate the same thing. So this and this will be cancelled. So 3x is equal to 18. Then next 3 I want to eliminate. Here 3x means 3 into x, multiplication. So in order to cancel multiplication, I want to do its opposite function, division. What I have to divide? The same thing. What I want to eliminate? 3 I want to eliminate. So 3 I want to divide here. At the same time, here also I want to divide by 3. 3 and 3 will be cancelled. X is equal to 18 upon 3 is equal to 6. So x value is equal to 6. In this way, we are finding out the value of the variable in an equation, that is called the elimination method. So students, here we are going to solve something using elimination method. And then systematic method, the same question I solved in systematic method, that is equal to, in systematic method what we are doing, we shift, systematic or transposition method. Second method is transposition method. In that method, transposition. What is transposition? Means changing the position of the number from one side to another side. That is called transposition. In transposition method, we are shifting one number from one side to another side, LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS. Here I want to shift all these numbers from here to get the value of x. So first of all I am going to shift 5. Here 5 is shifted to another side, then that operation will become just opposite of that. This plus 5, that changes to minus 5, 23 minus 5, and then 3x is equal to 18. Now I want to shift this 3 from this side to other side. Here it is multiplication, so we need to move to another side, that changes to its opposite function, division. Therefore x is equal to 6. This method is called the transposition method. Transposition method. We are changing the position of the numbers from one side to another side, and then finally we reach the answer of that solution to that question. And the next method is called which one? Cross multiplication method. In cross multiplication method, how we do? X upon 5 is equal to 3 upon 8. Suppose this is a question, then what we do? We cross multiply it like this. We cross multiply, and then we write x into 8 is equal to 5 into 3. That is equal to x is equal to 5 into 3 divided by 8. So in this way we find out that is equal to 15 upon 8. So x is equal to 15 upon 8. So this is cross multiplication method. In this method we cross multiply the numbers and then find out the answer. And before cross multiplication, if any necessary function or addition, subtraction, multiplication, if it is needed, that we do first, then we cross multiply finally. So these are the three different methods that we are going to practice in this year. Now students, we are going to solve some questions from exercise 7.1. First one, use the following elimination method in order to solve the following questions. Elimination method means avoiding something. So before avoiding things, if any necessary function, if we want to do that, we have to do, then finally we eliminate that. So here 3 bracket a minus 1, here multiplication is there, so we multiply 3 into a is equal to 3a, 3 into minus 1 is equal to minus 3 is equal to 8. Now we can eliminate. Minus 3 should be eliminated from both sides. So in order to eliminate that minus 3, I want to plus 3, and here also I want to plus 3. So this will be cancelled, then 3a is equal to 11. Now next this 3 I want to eliminate. 3a is equal to 11. 3, in order to eliminate, here it is multiplication, so division I will do, and then 3 and 3 will be cancelled, therefore a is equal to 11 upon 3. So students, I think that you understood that. Very simple this is. Next 42 plus 4x minus 11x. Students, here both sides x is there. So from here we avoid x. In order to avoid this 11x, I have to minus 11x from here and both sides. So 42 plus 4x minus 11x, and here also 11x minus 11x. So from here I want to avoid this 11x. So here both will be cancelled, then, and here 4x minus 11x, that will minus 7x is equal to 0. And here this 42 I want to take to another side. Here plus 42 positive, so minus 42 I want to take. So 42 minus 42 minus 7x is equal to 0 minus 42. Then 42 and 42 will be cancelled here, so minus 7x is equal to minus 42. Now what I want to do is that I want to eliminate this 7 minus 7. Here 7 into x, multiplication, its opposite is division. So negative 7x divided by 7, and here also negative 42 divided by negative 7. And 7 will be cancelled, so here negative will be cancelled, so 6x is equal to 6. I think students, you understood that. Next question students, question number C, that is 8y plus 3 is equal to 27 plus 2y. Here also both sides y is there, so from one side I am avoiding this y, so here plus 2y, that minus 2y I have to do. 8y plus 3 is equal to 27 plus 2y, and in order to avoid this minus 2y, at the same time here also minus 2y. Then 8y minus 2y is equal to 6y plus 3, and here this both will be cancelled, is equal to 27. Now I want to eliminate this minus 3. So 6y plus 3 minus 3 and is equal to 27 minus 3. These two will be cancelled, then 6y remains here, is 27 minus 3 is 24. Then I want to eliminate this 6 from here. So 6y by 6, here multiplication, so division I want to do 24 by 6. 6 and 6 cancelled, and here 24 and 6, 4. Therefore y is equal to 4. Next question, students, here 5y minus 3y minus 1 is equal to y minus 4. Here we want to do some multiplication, minus and bracket. Bracket means multiplication, so multiply by minus. 5y minus into 3y minus 3y and minus into minus plus 1 is equal to y minus 4. Now I want to eliminate this y from here, plus y, that changes to minus y. So here 5y minus 3y minus this 1y, because I am subtracting here, from this side I want to subtract, so here also subtract, plus 1 is equal to y minus 4. So y minus y, this will be cancelled, and 5 minus y, 5 minus 3y is equal to 2y, 2y minus y means 1y, y plus 1 is equal to negative 4, that is the answer, that we got. And here 1 we have to avoid, so y plus 1 minus 1 is equal to negative 4 minus 1, and plus 1 minus 1 cancel, so y is equal to negative 5. So students, here we got a negative 5, y is equal to negative 5. There are some more questions, we will solve that question also. Next question, students, here question number I, that is 8 into d minus 1 plus 17 into d minus 3 is equal to 5 into 4d minus 4 plus 5. Here what is written inside the bracket, that we have to solve first. 8 into d is equal to 8d, 8 into minus 1 is equal to minus 8, and plus 17 into d is equal to 17d, and 17 into negative 3 is equal to negative 17 3s are 51. That is equal to 5 into 4d is equal to 20d, 5 into 4 is equal to minus 20 plus 5. So after multiplication we got, and there are some like terms we can add, that 8d plus 17d is equal to 25d, and negative 8 and negative 51 is equal to negative 59. Both are negative, so we add that negative 59. So here we got that, and also here 20d and 20 negative 20 plus 5 is equal to negative 15. So students, here we solved. Now we can eliminate the numbers. Here also, here 20d and here 25d, both sides d is there. So from this side we have to avoid that 20d. In order to avoid, we have to minus, because here is plus 20d. So here also we want to do that same function. Here at subtraction, then here also 20d subtraction, minus 59d we write as it is. 20d, here we are going to subtract, that's why I have subtracted here. 20d minus 20d, then minus 15. So students, here 20d and 20d cancelled, and here you can see that 25d minus 20d is equal to 5d. 5d minus 59 is equal to, here what is remaining, negative 15. So students, now we got here negative 15, and now I want to eliminate this negative 59 from this side. So both sides I have to do the same function. In order to avoid negative 15, I want to plus 15. So 5d minus 59 plus 59 is equal to negative 15 plus 59. So here 59 cancelled, 5d is equal to negative 15 and 59. One is negative, another is positive. So we subtract. When we subtract, we get 44. Therefore 5d is equal to 44. Now I want to avoid this 5 from here. 5d means 5 into d, multiplication. In order to avoid multiplication, its opposite function, division, I want to do 5. At the same time, here also I divide by 5. 44 divided by 5. 5 and 5 will be cancelled, so d is equal to 45 upon 5. So students, in this elimination method, there are some questions remaining. That is a homework for you. You try yourself. Now students, we are going to solve the second question, that is find the solution using transposition method. Transposition method, what is that I have explained in the beginning. Now we solve the question. Transposition method, we are changing the numbers from LHS to RHS or from RHS to LHS. Here 6D plus 1 is equal to 4D. Here first of all, I want to find out the D value. So first of all, I want to avoid this, transpose this from here to here. Next 6 from here to here. Finally, we get to D. So first I am transposing 1 from here. When plus 1 goes to other side, it changes to minus 1. Therefore, 6D is equal to 4D minus 1. Minus 1. And at the same time, I want to take this D from this side to another side, because both side variable we bring to one side. Both side variables are there. The term having variable that we bring to one side. So when this 4D is taken to another side, it is changes to subtraction. 6D minus 4D is equal to negative 1. Therefore, we get 6D minus 4D is equal to 2D is equal to negative 1. Therefore, D is equal to this 2. I have shifted from here. Here it is multiplication, that changes to division. Therefore, it is negative 1 upon 2. So, D is equal to negative 1 upon 2. I think students, you understood. It is very simple. Next question, you see 8 minus 3z minus 4 is equal to 2 into z plus 3. Here, what is written outside the bracket? By that, we have to multiply first what is written inside the bracket. So, negative 3 into z is equal to negative 3z, and negative into negative changes to positive, and 3 4s are 12 is equal to, here also just like that we multiply 2 into z is equal to 2z plus 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Now we are shifting the numbers from one side to another. So first of all, I am going to take this to another side. This 12, positive 12, that changes to negative 12. Or otherwise we can add this 8 and 12 is equal to 20. So negative 3z is equal to negative 3z plus 20 is equal to 2z plus 6. Now this 20 will be shifted to this side to another side. Then negative 3z is equal to 2z plus 6 minus 20. And at the same time, I shift this to another side. Then this also negative 3z, and when it comes to this side, that also changes to negative 2z is equal to 6 minus 20 is equal to negative 14. So here 3 minus 2 is equal to negative 5z. Negative 5z is equal to negative 14. Therefore, z is equal to negative 14 upon negative 5. That is equal to 14 upon 5. I think students, you understood this question. And next one, next question is written, that is 42 into 8. 42 is equal to 8 into x plus 3 plus 2. Here also we multiply 42 into 8 into x, 8x, and 8 into 3, 8 3s are 24 plus 2. So when we write this, 8x 24 plus 2 is equal to 26. Now I am taking this to another side, and at the same time I am bringing this to this side. So negative 8x, when it reaches here, negative 8x, and it goes to that side, then it changes to negative 42. So here negative 8x is equal to 16, therefore negative 16. Therefore, x is equal to negative 16 divided by negative 8, that is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. I think students, you understood. This is very simple. Next, decimal numbers. Here, decimal numbers also same process we are doing. We shift numbers to one side to another side, and we take to another side from this side. So here, first of all, this 0.9a I am going to take this side. 1.5a minus 0.9a, and at the same time I am shifting this to another side, negative 1.6 minus 7.2, and here 1.5a minus 0.9a is equal to 0.6a. That you have to decimal numbers very carefully you have to do, because many students make mistake in subtraction addition of decimal. It is in this way: 1.5, 0.9. So here we write 6 and 0, 0.6. So 0.6a is equal to here 1.6, and both are negative, therefore we add it, then we get 8.8. 8.8, negative 8.8. Therefore, we divide it. A is equal to negative 8.8 divided by 0.6. So here, in order to avoid the decimal, we avoid by 10, multiply by 10. So it will be 88 upon 6. We can cut and reduce that. Then we get 44 upon 3. So here negative 44 upon 3. A is equal to negative 44 upon 3. So students, these are the questions. One more question we will solve, then after the remaining will be. Students, next question is question number I. Here 5 into a minus 1 minus 3 into 2 minus a is equal to 3 into 2a minus 4 plus 2 into 25 minus 5a. Here we multiply outside numbers with the numbers inside the bracket. 5 into a, 5a, minus 5 and minus 3, 2s are 6. 6 minus 3 plus 3a is equal to 3 2s are 6a minus 12 and plus 2 25s are 50 minus 10a. So now we take the like terms here. 5a plus 3a is equal to 8a and minus 5 minus 6 is equal to minus 11. That is equal to 6a minus 10a is equal to minus 4a, and negative 12 and 50 is equal to 38. Then we shift this a to this side, then 8a plus 4a, minus 4a changes to plus 4a, and this negative 11 we shift to other side, then it will be plus 11. So 8 plus 4, 12a is equal to 38 plus 11, 49. Therefore, a is equal to 49 upon 12. We cannot cut and reduce the number, therefore the answer is 49 upon 12. So students, today we are going to stop from here. So today we have studied elimination method and also the transposition method. And now cross multiplication method is remaining, that we will solve in our next class. Oh, thank you all of you and have a nice day. Everybody do the homework and also complete your classwork. Thank you everyone.